Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand what is big data testing. In the previous video, we understood what is big data. Big data is a large amount of structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data that cannot be stored and processed by traditional relational database management systems. Now that we understood what is big data, can we trust complex operations like ingesting, transforming, storing massive volumes of the data across the big data systems are executed flawlessly? How do we ensure that ingesting, transforming, and storing the massive volumes of data are executed flawlessly? We'll ensure this through big data testing. So, what is big data testing? Big data testing is a specialized form of testing that focuses on validating the accuracy, completeness, performance, and reliability of large and complex data sets and the associated processing pipelines within big data environment. Remember, we're not talking about small amount of data here. We are talking about large amount of data, potentially GB, potentially TB, potentially PB, that is petabytes, right? So through big data testing, we have to validate the accuracy, we have to validate the completeness, we have to validate the performance and reliability of large complex data sets and also associated processing pipelines. What is this associated processing pipelines? Big data processing, we do have different processes and systems which are piped together. They are series of processes and systems that handle the data from ingestion till the output. Processing pipelines would involve a lot of activities. Some of the important of them are data ingestion, data storage, data processing, and data visualization or data output. So when we talk about the big data processing pipelines, we have data from multiple sources that will be moved to the storage, big data storage like Hadoop and MongoDB, Cassandra, even cloud systems like Redis. And then that data would be subjected for processing through big data processing tools like Spark, Kafka, Flink. And then that will be stored in a different data warehouses. It can be Azure Data Lake. Within that, we have a dedicated SQL pool. Then we have SQL Server, Oracle, Snowflake. And then that data will be visualized through BI and reporting tools like Power BI and Tableau. So big data testing ensures the validation of the accuracy and completeness of the data from source till the BI and reporting tools. Okay, we understood what is big data testing, but why do we really need big data testing? Big data testing ensures the accuracy of the data processing and analysis under the varying loads. Like you have a data from 1 GB till the 1 petabytes, right? So whatever may be the load of the data, it ensures the data is accurate. Okay. Obviously, while we are performing the big data testing, the focus is on the data quality. If the quality of the data is not correct, then will not be able to take the correct management decisions. Then it guarantees the optimal performance and accurate results. Because if you don't do the big data testing, you may end up having issues in the future. That is the reason it ensures the optimal performance. And because we do that big data testing, we'll be able to detect the errors and inconsistencies pretty early in the project. That will help us to take the correct management systems. Okay. By performing the big data testing, we'll be able to scale the systems with the massive data volumes. Wonderful then. We understood what is big data testing. Thank you.